सभी पेरेंट्स को नमस्ते। हम लोग क्लास 2 का इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट आज डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें मैं पूरी सिलेबस और डिस्क्राइब करके चैप्टर बताऊंगी। फर्स्ट ऑफ 11 चैप्टर जो पोएम है द काउ, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टूडेंट एबिलिटी यू हैव टू फर्स्ट पुट हार्ड वर्क लाइक दैट फ्रेंडली, माइट, वंडर, स्ट्रे, प्लीजेंट, ब्लोन, मीडो, अमोंग, एक्सेट्रा, and writer name also Robert Louis Stevens. Then new words, that mean word meaning, all words you have to learn. Second chapter number 12, once again you have to put hard work like that hooray, kicked, uniform, bottle, messy, tidy, looking, habits, grandmother, watching, etc. Then new words means word meaning learn, choose the correct option, make sentence your own word and answer the following. This one is grammar portion. She talked, here is quick and you have to convert in quickly. Convert in adverb. Quick is quickly, loud, loudly, swift, swiftly, dear, dearly, silent, silently. Next, must or must not. Teacher, children, you must write neatly. You must not enter someone's room without knocking. You must wash your hand before meal. Mother, Raju, you must not tell lies. We dash say thank you when we get a present. We must. Father, Mahesh, you must play cricket inside. You मस्ट नॉट. मैं बता दूं, मस्ट मीन्स होता है कि आपको करना है, मस्ट नॉट मीन्स होता है बिल्कुल ही नहीं करना, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं हरगिज नहीं करना. चैप्टर नंबर 13 वंस अगेन आपको वही करना है, हार्ड वर्ड मार्क करने हैं आपके स्टूडेंट एबिलिटी के हिसाब से. जो रेड वाले हैं वो तो ऑलरेडी हार्ड वर्ड हैं, इसके अलावा आपके स्टूडेंट को जो नहीं आता, आपके बच्चे को जो नहीं आता, वो आप मार्क कर सकते हो. फिर है वर्ड मीनिंग लर्न करना है, जिसे न्यू वर्ड्स यहाँ बोला गया है. फिर टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फिर राइट ट्रू फॉल्स करना है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद ब्रैकेट्स. वन हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू, वर्क हैड, प्ले, डे, स्लीप, टू, नाइट. आपको यहाँ से राइट ऑप्शन चूज करके, ये अकॉर्डिंग टू चैप्टर है तो आप लोग खुद कर लेंगे इसको. जैसे अ टीचर इज टू ग्लास टू अ क्लास, एज अ मदर इज टू अ किचन, थिक इज टू थिन, एज शॉर्ट इज टू thick is too thin, short is too long. A branch is a tree, as a big leg is to body. Rama is to a girl, as Rohit is to a boy. And answer the following question. Next chapter number 14, the story of a Robin Hood. First, forest, sheriff, prison, parents hiding, because, began, rob, robbed, feared, loved, etc. You have to mark hard word and then word meaning learn first. Write true, false, choose the correct option, answer the following question. This one is Noses is a poem. You have to learn here only 8 lines because very long poem, and learn word meaning also. Next chapter number 16, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Aladdin is a magic. Aladdin also imagination character. It's a very fantastic and interesting story. So first you have to read a story, put hard work and new words means word meaning learn. Choose the correct option, fill in the blanks. Answer the following question. Literature is over. Next, language, Language first, pronoun. According to class 2, you have to write and learn first definition, pronoun definition. Pronoun is a word used to place of a noun. And he, she, it, they, he, she, it, they, me, my. Write 5 example. And this chart have to also learn here. Singular number, plural number, first person, second person and third person. Second, chapter number 12 is adverb. First, you have to all adverb word learn by heart. And here, circle the adverb is the following sentence. 1 and 2, I have to give you. The boy laughed loudly. Ajay writes neatly. A tortoise walks slowly. The sun shines brightly. The girl sings sweetly. Mother folded the cloth glee. All are adverb. Make adverb from the following adjective. Bright, brightly. Gentle, gently. Bitter, bitterly. Heart, heartily. Light, lightly. Noise, noisily. Next chapter, preposition. You have to learn first preposition definition here and on, at, with, against. These are all one word. At, one, in, under, etc. And last chapter is conjunction. Conjunction means, in a short, conjunction is a joining word. Conjunction is called joining word. First you have to learn and write conjunction definition and then and, but, yet, and, but, yet. 3. Because. There are also conjunction word. You have to write and, or. 5 words. And, but, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 you have to put examples. So, all grammar subject is finished. And one essay after some time, I am telling you. Thank you so much each and everyone. Please subscribe my channel and like and share this video.